Okay, again for number 10, it also says write the slope-intercept form of the equation of each line. So again, our slope-intercept form is our y equals mx plus b. Notice right here, it's almost in that format, except we have to move the x to the other side because our x term happens to be on the right side. So here, by property of equality, I can subtract that 7x. Alright, it's not there anymore. I got my 6y, and these two terms are different terms, so I cannot subtract those. This is an x term, this is a constant term. The only thing I can do is write them side by side, and you see how that happens to be the b, and that's your mx. But you're not finished because your y is not isolated completely to an invisible 1. So I gotta make sure that I get rid of that 6. Well, right now we are multiplying, so the inverse of multiplying would be dividing. Okay. Now, if you noticed, we are also dividing by the same sign, same everything, because our goal is to reach that invisible 1. And that's the only way we're going to do it, by dividing by the same sign, same number, same everything. So that becomes negative 6 divided by negative 6. That's an invisible 1. Here, we ended up with double signs, but we can always remember our chinito, right? Every time that and this only works when you are multiplying and dividing. Negative, 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 negative becomes positive. Positive divided by negative, positive, negative becomes negative. And of course here, you need to remember, sometimes you can divide, sometimes you can reduce, sometimes you can, in this case, I can, the top and the bottom both divide by 3, so that reduces to 1/2, and you do have a negative there, so that becomes negative 1/2. So in here, that's a negative, oops. Here's a minus representing a negative, and then our 1/2. And pretty much we're done now. This is in the correct format, so this is it right here.